Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Reservoir or DAM on Binance Alpha, and I will also give you my price prediction. So Reservoir or DAM just get listed on Binance Alpha, and I will show you how to buy it. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search DAM, DAM, search it. And you will find them on alpha, this one, and this is the chart. Not looking good, but yeah, we will see. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not bad, 7 and almost 8 million. And from the chart here, so let's see, the total supply is 1 billion. So I think for the price, but first, it's not financial advice, so you have to do your own research. But in my opinion, it will get back to the high, all-time high here. So maybe it will be 3 times from this stage. So yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order, which is you can put the price here and the amount here. And also you can choose instant, you can swap USDT or other token to them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.